Now the third example, 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. And second example is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. This is the example where the coefficients of the variable are exchanged. That is, the coefficient of first variable is the coefficient of the second variable in the second equation. Now let us put, let 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. Therefore, the equation will be 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. Let this be equation 1. 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Let this be equation 2. And we all know the method of solving this type of equations. That is, firstly we have to add these two equations, and once subtract the equations, get the two more equations and solve them. So here, adding equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. What we get? 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. By adding, we get 27 plus 31, it is 58m plus 58n is equal to 174. Here, taking 58 common or dividing by 58, we get m plus n is equal to 3.
बरोबर आहे.
Is equal to 3. This is equation 3. Then subtracting equation 1 and 2, we get (27m plus 31n is equal to 85) and 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Subtraction means change the sign of each term. So this will be minus 4m plus 4n is equal to minus 4. So here, dividing by 4. What we get? Dividing by 4, we get minus m plus n is equal to minus 1. This is equation 4. So we got these two equations, equation 3 and 4. See here, they have same coefficients but sign is different of m variable. So just adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 is m plus n is equal to 3 and equation 4 is minus m plus n is equal to minus 1. Here we are adding the two equations. So minus m plus n will be 0. N plus n 2n. 3 minus 1 is 2. N is equal to 2 divided by 2. N is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1 in equation 3. Equation 3 is m plus n is equal to 3. M plus 1 is equal to 3. So m is equal to 3 minus 1. M is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. But we know that m is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 and n is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. Then substitute the values. 2 is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. Here cross multiplying we get 2 into bracket x minus 2 is equal to 1. So 2x minus 2 to the 4 is equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 1 plus 4. X is equal to 4 plus 1 5 and this is divided by 2. So x is equal to 5 upon 2. And n is equal to here. N is 1 is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. So cross multiplying we get y plus 3 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus 3. So y is equal to minus 2. Therefore the solution is 5 upon 2 comma minus 2.